Mounting a router and a router table increases control, safety, and setup reliability, but table mounting can make it more challenging to set your bit's cutting depth and to change bits. The Kreg Precision Router Lift overcomes those challenges by allowing you to control all aspects of your router setup from above the table instead of having to reach underneath. Plus, the Precision Router Lift is packed with features that ensure you'll get the quick, accurate, reliable, and repeatable setups you need to get high-quality routing results. You'll appreciate those features from the moment you mount your router in the lift. Just position the clamp blocks on the heavy-duty router carriage to match your router. Slide the router in, and then tighten a locking bolt on the carriage. The Precision Router Lift accepts 20-plus popular router models just that easily, without modification or the need to purchase additional adapters. Installing router bits is incredibly easy with the Precision Router Lift 2. Instead of having to reach under the table or remove the router from the table entirely, you can simply raise the router up to access the collet from above the table. This dramatically reduces the time and hassle of changing bits, so you'll spend less time getting ready and more time routing. The Precision Router Lift also brings new levels of precision and simplicity to setting your router bit's cutting depth. Just insert the adjusting crank and give it a turn to raise or lower the bit. Every revolution moves the bit exactly 1/16 of an inch. A built-in micro-adjustment scale adds even greater precision by allowing you to accurately track setup changes down to thousandths of an inch. The scale can be adjusted to 0 at any point in order to establish your baseline bit setup, which makes it easy to tell precisely how far the bit is moving from that point as you raise or lower it, and to return to that exact same baseline setup. Built-in anti-backlash compensation assures that there's no slop when you turn the crank, so you can be confident that even the smallest adjustments are incredibly accurate and precise. Once you have your bit setup dialed in, you can lock the carriage in position to maintain that precision cut after cut. The Precision Router Lift is built for durability with a 3/8-inch thick hard-anodized plate that resists scratching and that won't sag, even under the weight of the biggest routers. Ball bearings, heavy-duty metal parts, and precise manufacturing tolerances ensure years of dependable service too. Other great features include Kreg level lock insert rings to reduce the opening around the bit, and a stainless steel starting pin for routing without a fence. Of course, the Precision Router Lift is compatible with the Kreg Precision Router Table and Benchtop Router Table and with Kreg's Precision Insert Plate Levelers. Whether you're setting up a new router table, upgrading a table you already own, or building a custom router table from scratch, the Kreg Precision Router Lift is a must-have addition that will allow you to spend less time setting up and more time routing with great results. Visit us online at kregtool.com to learn more about the Kreg Precision Router Lift, as well as our other Kreg routing solutions that give you the ability to shape and enhance raw wood with the control, precision, and reliability you want, plus the ease of use and safety you need, so you can start every project with confidence.